And we've come in to grab ourselves some predator bait. Got a few options in mackerel. This is the vibe I'm going for, the small mackerel, 52 baht a kilo, get 3 in a pack. Going for 3 packs, probably be about 3 kilo, 150 baht, so about £3.75 English money. We got a few options in there. The lake we're going to today is not keen on us using the chicken carcass, but a lot of lakes do feed the chicken carcass, and it's a cracking bait. It's only 19 baht a kilo. Looks a bit rough, but that's the one there. Smash it up into different size bits. You've also got your chicken hearts, all your chicken bits. Those are often very good. There's some chicken skin, chicken fat. It's pretty good. But we'll weigh up the mackerel. The mackerel's a very oily fish. Used to use it pike fishing quite a lot, especially after Christmas when the water got a bit cold and the eel section stopped working. So yeah, like the mackerel. I do like the mackerel. It's a bit firm on the skin as well. Not so easy for the tilapia. There's some tilapia there. Look, speak of the devil. Top tin, red tilapia, and so they find it a bit hard to pull them off. So we're gonna weigh the mackerel up, price them up, 52 baht a kilo. Hoping it's going to be somewhere around 150 baht. Cheap days fishing. But hopefully we'll get ourselves a couple of red tails and a mighty arapama. Let's have a go. There we go. 178 baht. 3.422 kilo. That's 9 mackerel, 9 fish. Give us a bit of a chance. Got your squid here and octopus and bits. Some of this is sometimes worth a try. If I was fishing a water with less small fish, tilapia and pacu in it, I might try a softer bait. That gap's not going through. I'm on a reverse. Beep, 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 beep. Love it, Lara. Quirky. You got little classic Thai vibes. The old kneel down seating area for the food. Some just quirky little vibes. I like it. It's got bus seats here. There's actually a bus back here by the toilets. There's a cracking little area here for lovely old bus there. I think the seats have come out of that, which they've used under the shaded area for fishing. And here you got toilet facilities. There we go. There's even a shower here so you can freshen up, which is pretty good. Pretty good. I think the chap who owns it, a bit of a ground worker, dirt digger. I like these sort of some big concrete mushrooms here. If it's red hot or pissing down, you can take refuge under these. There we go. Under now, there's still proper grassy areas. Soft, lovely setup. You've got some rabbits, ducks, chickens, gocks wandering around. Nice big mushroom there, look. Really get under that one if you want to. Lovely little waterfall here. I think that'd be a nice feature for the predators. Sure, that you fish there, you do very well. Lovely, look at that. Beautiful area. Coming around here, you've got a little mushroom. And got some what do you call it? There's the lady who owns the lake. Here's some of the fish you can catch. The big red tails. You've even got a nice Asian red tail there. Showing these big heads, Arapama, Siamese. And there's even a wallagoot, or a few wallagoot leary in here, which is a fish that I've never seen, certainly never caught. Well, that would be nice. Tambaki down there. Nice little poster. Wander around. Some lively geese. This area here, you've got, they're still building this. This is going to be where you fish for your shrimps. It's quite good fun. Could even come here on a day's fishing. Have a little evening messing about catching prawns with the lads, and then stay in a couple of rooms over here. I think it's about £1,000 a night for staying here. Little boat there. And there's a nice little overview of the lake. Red's about 25 baht a bag, which is very reasonable. And the predator fishing is a bit subjective. Still yet to work it out properly. Hard to know where you stand, but sure we'll work it out. They're still working here, still doing a lot of work, making it even better. So hopefully the work and effort they're putting in will pay dividends in the end, and they'll make a few quid. There you go, you got a little freezer here, you got some ice creams, lovely. Soft drinks, all your beers, all very reasonable price. So a small beer is only about 40 baht, and a big beer is, I think it's about 70. So all very good, all ready, and there for you. What a scruffy old cock. Live little chickens. Scattering. Quirky along here as well, some nice tables. Say the bus seats. And nice big platform, very comfortable. There's the 2 rooms for rent. This is quite nice. Got a door here as a table. Very quirky. Same as Oz. Bit quirky. There we go, another species. Oz has had a little alligator guy. That's it, go on, get him up a little bit. There, that's the one. Lovely, what a cracking fish. That mean old buckers. Very similar to our pike, and as a previous fish.
Scales.
Lovely. Oh, there you go, just as Oz landed that, well, just as I landed this one, Oz had his alligator, and this one at the same time. Siamese of a lovely shape. Little tiny pop-up's gone actually. Little tiny rig. Lost me pop-up. In a huge mouth. Woo. Lovely. I like the head. The other side. Oh, there we go. Lovely fish. What a shape, good whip on that fish.
They are spectacular creatures, aren't they, really?
They are cracking.
Because they're solid. You put saddle on them, don't you? As you pop up.
Save that one. Got a little bit tight. Ooh.
Smashing.
There you go. Fish of around 30 pound. I might give him a little weigh. Lovely. Girt mouth on it. Number 4. We're doing all right.
Good stuff.
Oh, look at that one then. Oz has just had a lovely alligator gar. It's gonna go. Watch out. Ooh, that's it. That's it. Okay. They are lively. Covered in spikes and spines and teeth and sharp bits.
Sorry, can't they?
That's it. Beautiful fish. Lovely fish. Cracker. Well done, mate. Superb, that. What a beauty.
Happy days.
Well, this is the first time we've done a bit of predator fishing for the camera, and we've had some nice red tails. Oz just had a couple of nice alligator and a small arapama, and they've all been hooked in the scissors, and that's mainly due to the rig we're using. A lot of people come to Thailand and think, you know, don't really listen to the people who own the fisheries that will advise you to have a fixed lead and quite a short hook length, and this is very important. I know that there are times when the fish will pick it up, feel the resistance and drop it, and you think, oh, I'll take the lead off and compromise the fish's safety, really. But these fish are expensive, and it's, as a fishery owner before, I know how devastating it is to find a dead arapaima in the morning, and a lot of the time it's down to the rigs that are used. So it's very important to have quite a short hook length, maximum about 8 inches, and then have a fixed lead. This one's got a bit of tubing on, fresh from Jurassic, which is even better. But it's very important to have a this is not a bead, this is a stopper which holds that in place. You've got a semi-fixed lead, so if the line was to break here, then this could then eventually slide off, and the fish can get rid of the lead as well. If the lead's fixed, that's a problem as well. But it's very important to make sure that you have a fixed lead, semi-fixed lead, within 8 inches, or the fish will suck it back, and I would have said the chances of the fish dying, especially the arapaima, is doubled, if not more than that. So just be aware that when you come to these waters, you might go to a Thai water and they haven't got any stipulations, but it's best to just make sure that you're looking after the fish's safety, and you're not hooking them back. And the last thing you want is to be killing the fish that you're catching, because in the end the fishery will probably either stop you fishing, or it's just not a very nice thing to happen. So just make sure your rigs are safe, and the safest they can be for the arapaima and the red tails especially. This is down in the corner here. Looks like a little sanctuary for predators. It's been getting by a chuck as soon as been landing it in, so might get a chance to see something happen. There's a bite. Something's pushing it around. The anticipation. Beauty of watching a float. Oh, that's a little push. Lovely little corner here. Cage. Features. Fish will be under the platform, oh dearly. Just want to see it go bosh. Got a big mackerel head on at the moment. Big wallagoot leery, gonna suck it in. Using this corner of sanctuary. Oh, there we go. Could be little fish pushing it around. Just waiting for that big one to come in and sort it out. Oh, he's gone now. Oh, look at that. Go on, Oz. Oh, he's trying to get back under the platform. I think he might have done. What's he got? What's he got? Ooh. Oh, he's let go. Did you see it?
Tail.
Red tail.
Yeah. I'm going to change the softer bait.
A softer bit. They can just
I think they're,
get it in the corner of the mouth.
Yeah.
That's the bait he was using. It's a big old mackerel head as well.
We're going to get a softer one. Middle section, I think.
Yeah, it's like a Spanish mackerel, but I didn't actually hear him speak. Zoom right in this time. Just missed a red tail. I'll just put a little softer section of mackerel on, hopefully easier for the red tails to suck in, and easier for the hook to pull out and find the corner of the mouth, all being well. They seem to be congregating in this corner. Oh, there's another little push. And again, and again. Come on, my son. Gonna take us by surprise. £150 arapaima. Wallagoot leery. Ooh, oosh. Nudging it around, isn't he? Come on. Take it. Oh. Oh. Something just bit me between the legs. Oh, there he's got him. What's he got? Oh, it's a little baby Arapaima. Look at that. Little, yeah, oh, he's gone. Little babby Arapaima. Yeah, we thought we were down in the bottom corner, see if we could get a shot of Oz's float getting under and a fish being landed, and then couldn't hear the alarm. And hopefully it's Siamese number 6. Having it today. No problem with the small fish on the bottom. Every time it's been a bite, it's been 6 Siamese or 1 small big head. Crazy, isn't it? No, 2 days could be so different.
Well, we're grateful for small mercies.
Nice swirl. These hooks, new hooks from Lazada, like a little fox coffee. I was wondering how strong they'd be, but giving them a decent bit of beef. Seem to be holding up. Same pop-up as well. Frugal.
The frugal angler makes one pop up last several sessions.
That favourite one. Yeah, another Siamese, somewhere between 25 and 30 pounds. Oh, you're right, also. Right, this one.
You okay?
Yep, that's right. Yeah. Just go. There we go. Lovely. Have a little look. Nice fish. And the best of the day. Might go 30 pound that one.
Yep.
Caught a tiny bit of skin there. Show another picture of just. There we go. Yeah, it'd be 30 pound that one.
Lovely fish.
Super. Oh, there we go.
The overrated angler does it again. Well done.
Good boy. Might get that's one out of here. There's some fish in this lake, you know. Here goes.
Okay, that's reading 30, just over 36 on the dial.
Okay, so he goes probably 32.5, maybe 33 pound. Personal best for the lake. Getting.
Well done.
Ooh. Nice looking fish. Let's see if we can go down and get a video of Oz. There he goes.
Draw it back a bit.
Yeah. Oh, little bottle of Coke's lively. There we go. Prime position. It's the cage. There's the platform. There's the float. Come on. Getting to that lovely part of the day where the light's just losing its energy. Fish, they know. This one's having a go. Is he hero enough to take that girt lump of mackerel? I reckon he will. Oh, have it.
Probably just got the fluke of the tail in his
Yeah.
mouth.
Oh, now he's gone. Now he's gone. Oz has hit it, and he's flying. Hello. This looks a bit more lively. Oh, oh no. Oh no. He's bloody broke him. Oh, that was a powerful looking fish. I don't know about the fluke of the tail. He needed a bit more fluke about his fishing. Oh, we've hooked a fish while we was down with Oz down in the corner, and feels a bit different. It might be a tambaki, we're not sure. Oh, look at that, it's a Julian's. Ah, amazing. Julian's Price Golden Carp. One of the nicest fish you'll see. Not a monster, fish about 10-12 pound, but I believe it's the first one ever to come out of here, so that'll be a nice little one to have. Dangerous Dan Zach will be very jealous. Lovely. When they were put in, I heard they were £20 fish, but I think someone's been selling 40s. There we go. Oh, easy. Oh, get in. Oh, there we go. Beautiful fish. One of the nicest looking fish you'll ever see. Those beautiful patterns. I think they call them 8 striped carp, the ties.
That's because they can't count because there's 6. There we are.
Got me dad on the phone at the same time. So I'll show you. Oh, lovely fish, isn't it? Beauty, isn't he? Yeah. Oh, superb. I tell you, Dad, I'll give you a call back and then I'll just take a photo, alright?
Yeah. Alright, see you in a minute.
I tell you, I'll pick him up for the camera and then that one's ready to go for the photo. What a lovely fish. Beautiful, aren't they?
Stunning. That's the first one I've ever seen.
Is it?
Yeah. But just how I obviously explained the pictures, obviously.
Those red eyes, like a roach. Mouth like a barbel, body like a barbel, eyes like a roach, and then the scale pattern like a tiger, a Goliath tiger, even just a tiger fish.
Beautiful.
From Africa. There you go. Oz has had a red tail. There, going to give him away. Oh, he's bleeding a bit there. Well, yeah, nice fish. We're going to give him away.